So what's going on, guys? My name is Sam and this is Brooklyn, my partner and also my travelling buddy, and we're going to be travelling the world and sharing our experiences with you all to see. Good morning from a very misty Copenhagen. We've got here very early, so we're heading off to our hotel now, and we're probably going to be told we can't check in till about 3 o'clock, so don't know what we're going to do. Fingers crossed they have a room prepared for us. They charged us £17 to get in the room 4 hours earlier, which, listen, it's freezing out there. By the way, cracking view of the city when it's not so misty, but yeah, £17 to get in the room 4 hours earlier, and I thought, I'm not standing outside for 4 hours. You know, we've had a long, not a long flight, but it's been a long morning, traffic in the Gatwick, and yeah, all that palaver, but we are here, and yeah, let's sort ourselves out. We've had 2 hours sleep all night, but there's plenty to do here in Copenhagen, so we're gonna go explore, find a bus to take us somewhere, and yeah, see what we can find. Join us. So this is our first stop here in Copenhagen, Nyhavn, I believe it's pronounced. In the back there we have the Danish Royal Theatre. I'm pretty sure when you Google Copenhagen, this is the image that pops up the most. Fancy coloured buildings with the canal running across the front. You can do boat tours, canal cruises, which we're going to be booking on soon. It's a lot of bars, restaurants, places for people to come, sit, enjoy themselves, taking the views. The water's very clear. I've not seen any fish. There's a bike though. Alright then, so we've got our tickets for the classic canal tour. Gotta wait 15 minutes and we'll be on one of those little boats. Copenhagen's Opera House. So Brooke, what have we found out about this mermaid statue here?
So that mermaid statue has been there for over 100 years. It survived 2 world wars and it's had its head taken off twice and its arms been cut off, so they've got to repair it.
And it's still here. Right then guys, we're back into the hotel now. I think we're going to call it a day. It's been a long day, especially this morning. Absolutely shattered. It's starting to get dark outside here in Copenhagen. Oh, and by the way, just to cut myself off, this is our room. I didn't show you the room we're on. So it's a tiny room, little bed there, and we have a little pod here. I don't know, that's what I call it. And this is actually the shower and the toilet, and yeah, that's quite crazy, but that's what we paid for, and that's all we need. So to wash, clean, and
also to top
sleep.
it off,
yeah.
I went to the shop and bought a bottle of water and got back to the hotel room and it's sparkling. Oh, I'm devastated.
Yeah, good.
No fuming.
Listen, we're gonna call it a night. I'm tired, she's tired. We're gonna see you in the morning, explore some more things in the city centre, and yeah, see what we can find once again. Good morning once again from another misty Copenhagen. How are you feeling? Cold?
Yeah, a little bit under the weather.
Yeah, you need to sort that out. This is what, 3 degrees here?
Yeah.
It's like 3 degrees or something right now. I think it might go to 4, 5 later on in the day. But as for us, Brooke needs a coffee to function, so we're going to walk now to find a coffee shop, 7-Eleven, whatever's here, and then wait for a bus to pick us up, head off to the city centre and check out the marble church. I think we'll start off with, yeah?
Yeah.
See who go from there.
This is the equestrian statue of Absalon, and it was unveiled in 1902 to mark the 700 years anniversary of the death of Bishop Absalon, the city's legendary founder. So, Christiansborg Palace is a government building and a palace, and it's used by the Danish Parliament. It's used for the Danish Prime Minister's office, and it's used for a Supreme Court of Denmark. Also is used by the Danish monarch.
You can walk through as well. I'm pretty sure there's some people up top up there.
Yeah, and it's got all the royal stables and stuff in there.
Let's go and have a look. Right, so being in Denmark, I feel in touch with my roots right now. Because if I check on my ancestry, there we go, 2% Danish. I feel right at home now. I'm starting to feel what it's like to be a Viking all those years ago. I'm here in Copenhagen. This is me.
Well, this is Frederiks Church, also known as the Marble Church. The church forms the focal point of the Frederiks district.
And we're going to go inside now and see what it's like. We've just left the Marble Church and we're in this area called Amalienborg. I hope I pronounced that correctly this time round. Yesterday I pronounced a few things wrong. But this is the area where the royal family lives here in Copenhagen. This is Christian VIII's palace. This is Christian VII's palace. This is Frederik VIII's palace. So this is the Yellow Palace, or Bergham's mansion. It's considered the first example of neoclassical architecture in Copenhagen. The mansion was built as the burglar's house and was acquired by the Danish royal family. Come on, we gotta go to Rosenborg Castle. Two standard adult tickets so we can enter Rosenborg Castle. There's Brooke waiting for me. Stopped raining a bit now. The royal toilet.
What's this, like the royal wine vault?
Yeah, look at Rory.
I thought Amsterdam had a lot of bikes. Copenhagen has a lot of bikes also. Jeez. Right then guys, so that is it. Me and Brooke, we're back off to the hotel now. We've enjoyed ourselves here in Copenhagen. We went to the Scottish bar, which is in the city centre next to the English bar and the Irish bar, but the Scottish bar had more seats available, so
And
yeah.
they had a live singer, which was quite good.
Yeah, really good, we enjoyed it, so thank you for joining us. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop the comments down below, subscribe, and we'll be back soon with more content.